So YouTube, today I'm going to show you how to replace battery in a MacBook Pro. First you want to remove all the screws. There's 4 up top, 4 on the bottom, and 1 in each side. You want to use the screwdriver. What I would recommend you to do is just leave them exactly where you took them off. So if I took it off from here, I will put it on the side. There's one over here, here, and here. Okay, so all the screws are off. All you want to do now is just lift it up. It's directional. This piece is the back of the Mac where there's a black plastic where the fan's at. Set it aside. And here's your battery. The battery only has 2 screws, one here, one here. This one seems to be broken off, so pretty easy. Just pull the tab and that's it. The battery should come out. Disconnect this connector here. I'll show you how to do that. Here's the connector. You just want to push it off, and that's it. Just like push it up and off, and it should come out. Now just hold your tab, hold the tab here, and pull it up and out. And that's it. So here's the battery. Here's the connector. This one's a 1322 battery. A1322. I bought a replacement on eBay. On Amazon. That's also for A1322. Just compare them pretty much. Pretty much the same. Now just reverse order. Slide it in here, here, and here. Push it down. But it seems like the other battery had this screws broken off. This piece of the battery, I'm gonna have to remove them. This piece and over here. So I'm gonna have to remove these 2 screws so the new battery can go in. So this battery I bought on Amazon came with 2 screwdrivers. One is for the case, and the other one's for the battery. There's 2 different sizes. All you want to do again is slide the battery in, push it down, and connect the connector back where it's supposed to go. And that's it. Just push it down, and that's it. Now grab the screws. Okay, so here's the battery. The 2 screws are in. There's a larger screw that goes here, and the smaller screw goes over here. And that's it. The battery isn't coming out anymore. So now let's just reverse order. Put your bottom of your computer on, and now just put the screws back in and use the other screwdriver. You'll notice when one doesn't work well, because it won't fit. And just do this for every single screw. Or what you could do first, just put 2, and I'm gonna flip it over and turn it on and see if the battery works. Okay, here I'm gonna try to see if it works. yeah, it's working. It's loading. So it pretty much seems to work. I'm gonna let it boot up and see what happens. Okay guys, so it is working. It gives you that the time is incorrect. I think the time is correct. The other one, the old battery, only lasted about maybe an hour, less, or 40 minutes. And it said it still had like 40 minutes and it died at 40%. And it wouldn't boot up anymore. So that's it. That's how to change the battery on your MacBook. And if you like this video, watch it. Keep subscribing. I'll keep some new videos coming in. See ya.